In the last video I posted, I talked for a while about how I was really stressed out. So this weekend I decided to come visit my mom for her birthday, as well as just spend some time up here to try and chill out a little bit. The weekend started out great. We decided to go to the local mall here, which I personally haven't been to in like a decade, but it was fun just to walk around again and also kind of sad to see it so empty and desolate. Another thing that I did was head to work with my mom, and I helped her vacuum and clean up the office that she works in. On my mom's birthday, we decided to go to dinner and spend a lot of time with some family, so I didn't film any of that. I hope you understand why, but right after her birthday is when I started having a little bit of an issue. The train that I was scheduled to take back to the city was supposed to be Tuesday morning, but Monday night into Tuesday is when we started getting a huge snowstorm here. Long story short, I kept an eye on all the train times, kept an eye on the weather, and well, I was stuck here in the snow. No train back to the city. Because I had that extra day here then, my mom decided to take the day off from work, which was awesome, so she could stay home and stay safe inside, and we decided to plan some fun snow day activities. The first thing we did on our snow day was cook up some pancakes in the morning. We made both chocolate chip and blueberry.
Oh, because it was a 2-hour delay. No, we had to go out of the neighborhood. Down there, she said there's a 2-hour delay, and I was like, oh, shit. She's like, just come in.
After we ate our pancakes, we both figured, well, it's a snow day. What do you do on a snow day? You go play in the snow. So we decided to go play in the snow, and we built a snowman. It was absolutely freezing outside, so after the snowman was built, we warmed up and said, you know what, screw making dinner, let's go pick up takeout. Driving around in the snowstorm was so much fun, and I'm not sure why I love it so much. It's just like you're out in the snowstorm, but you're warm, get some music on. I think it's a lot of fun. Dinner was great. It was the right amount of garbage food mixed with not really healthy food at all, but garbage food is great for comfort food on a busy, snowy day like this. To join us on our snow day, we had some friends of ours over, and they are both big into knitting and crocheting. So they taught my mom how to knit, or myself how to knit, and my mom how to crochet.
What do you think, Alex? You like knitting?
I don't know. It's stressing me out. It's supposed to be relaxing.
Yeah. I definitely did not do a good job on this row.
There's a little mess up there, but
I think if I flipped it around and I don't think I was doing it, but now it's like stuck.
My goal was to make a scarf, and it didn't quite end up with a scarf, but it was still a lot of fun to do, and I would say this is totally decent for a first time knitting ever. But now it's a new day, which means... The hell is that? But now it is a new day, which means the roads are all cleaned up, which means the train tracks were all cleaned up, which means I'm going back home to the city today. So the only thing left to do, I think, is to get all packed up and just get home. You know, I really like visiting my family, and I like being out of town, but at the end of the day, I really, really like being home.